really careful right here. Now, you're probably not like him, so you're going to hear me out, right?
But I've been married 3 times.
Okay, but you're going to hear me out.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. Yeah. So, you meet a girl.
Yeah.
She's super fun.
Yeah.
She cannot stand it party when you're not around her. She can't wait to cook for you. She'll rub your back.
I'll make her my girlfriend.
No. Forget about marriage. I'm talking about.
I'll make her my girlfriend.
I'm not talking about girlfriend. I'm not talking about marriage. I'm talking about commitment.
Yeah, I'll commit to her.
There you go. Okay, so.
Now I'm gonna look at her and say, as long as she understands loyalty has nothing to do with these fucking 9 girls. If you understand that,
This is where I'm at. This is where I'm at.
There's 5 starters, and all 5 of my starters understand. Do not stress me with no monogamous shit.
Right. Okay. So this is the guy. Hold on. This is the guy. Watch me be right. This is the guy who will tell a girl you got a choice.
Yeah.
I'll pay all the bills,
Yes.
or I'll be with you.
No, I know.
Okay. So then you ain't paying all the bills.
Yes, I'll pay all this.
And you won't be denied.
Yes. Let me explain something.
That's hard to find.
Let me explain something.
What happened?
Colombian woman here.
Let me say it again.
I know what you said.
You gonna tell a girl.
I'm gonna pay all the bills.
Okay, so she got a choice. You're gonna pay all the bills,
All the bills.
or you're gonna be monogamous.
I will never be monogamous. And I will still pay all the bills.
You're saying the same thing I'm saying. You just don't want to hear me. We're saying the same thing. You don't want to hear me. What you saying? She got a choice. The girl got a choice. You can pay all the bills, or you can be monogamous. She can only choose one.
No. She has, okay, watch it. I'm explaining what you're putting. See, you putting me in a box. Here's the thing. He's putting me in a box like you're putting in a box.
No.
I'm explaining.
Thank you. You don't know me. You don't know me. Trust me. You don't
I
know
know,
me.
but let me say, because you're my best friend. Watch it. I got this girl.
Listen to the question.
Watch it.
Hey, listen to the question. What's the question? Here's the question. You meet a girl. She got a choice. There's only 2 choices. You're gonna pay all the bills, or you're gonna be monogamous.
Okay.
She got never be monogamous. You're not listening.
Okay.
She got a choice. She don't got no choice. Yes, she does. Oh, don't think that.
All right, let me give an example.
Don't have no choice. Don't think that.
This girl is a beauty pageant. She don't sell pussy on the street, okay? She's from Medellin. She's from Choco. She's 22 years old. She's been with my girlfriend since 19. I give her $500 a month. She lives with her mama. Her mama's rate is only $250 a month. Do you understand me? Because I give her $500 so she can give the other $150 to her mama. Okay? She understands I have other women. You feel me? Now, that doesn't mean she's faithful to me, but because I know she's not on the street, she'll probably mess with a model guy who's like 22, 23, fine as fuck because I'm old. I'm okay with that. That doesn't mean that's what I want. But I ain't gonna leave her. She's a pageant girl. She went back.
So, brother, one more time, if you would please just listen to my
I'm gonna
question.
listen to you again.
Please. He was trying to agree, but he's telling when I give him the choice, he's saying no. But what you just said agrees with what I just said. I said, you meet a girl. The girl has 2 choices. She got 2 choices. You can pay all the bills.
I will pay all the bills.
Okay. Or you can be monogamous.
Oh, the girl got the choice.
The girl got the choice.
Oh, the girl don't have no fucking choice. Oh, once I pay all the bills, you gotta keep the pussy tight. That's what I put the fear in.
Then she takes the other choice. That's her choice.
I know.
You pay all the bills.
Yeah.
But you're not going to be monogamous.
No, I'm not.
But if you're going to be monogamous, you got to help with the bills.
No.
That's right. So your choice is, I'm paying the bills, and you're going to be monogamous. That's right.
That doesn't mean she gotta keep her pussy tight, but I'm gonna tell her she needs to keep her pussy tight. Because I'm in the United States. I don't know if she can, but I know because I didn't take her from the street. She's like, fuck, one guy on.
I'm in the business of fucking with this.
I don't have that. I know you fucking good